Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can link your Printify and your Wix accounts. So let's get right into it. Once you're on Printify on your main page, you're going to want to click on this collapsible menu and click on Manage My Stores. Once you're here, select whichever store you want to connect and click Connect, and then select the Wix option. This will open up the page where it's going to prompt you to log into your Wix account, and I've logged in with Google, and as you can see, you need to select a site to install Printify. I'll install it to this one, for example. Click Select, and it will start installing Printify. Now, previously, you would have needed to go to that site and go to the App Store and actually add Printify itself, but as you can see now, you don't need to. Now you need to connect to the store of your choice. Just select the store, click Continue, and as you can see, it is connected to a Wix store now, and you can just go here and double check. For example, if I go into one of my sites and actually wait, well, I need to go to sites first, and if I go there and double check, the Printify app should already be installed, but if I remember correctly, it was site 5 copy, so I'll just select this site, and I'm pretty sure I won't be required to go and actually install it. If I go into apps, as you can see, I can go into manage apps, and Printify should be here. If it isn't, just go to the app market. As you can see, installed apps, I have Amazon, Wix Site Search, and I have Printify, so you don't need to install it again, and that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.